an inch or 1 inch or 0.75. So for this I'll take out just half of an inch to be safe. So I'll just mark that half of an inch to this side, and then I'm going to do this. Can you see? So this will serve as like a tightening for my chest area, so that that part is not going to be open. Can you see? Can you see what I've done? I've added a tightening here at that point. So if you are going to ask me that, is it not going to affect my pattern, I have 2.5 inches here, so it's not going to affect it. Okay, I have enough allowance, so it's not going to affect it. So I've tightened that part. Okay, all right. So I'll extend this line. So can you guys see? So after this, the next thing, we want to create out our curve. Okay, before we create out our curve, let's take out our dart. Let's tighten the waist. So like I said, we've already tightened the back with 3 inches, and then we have 3 inches left because we said we are going to tighten with 6 inches. That we're taking out 6 inches from our waist to give us the desired snatch we want. So if you notice this line, I just added this dart line because I want to snatch everything by 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So that will make my 3 inch. So now I'm going to come to this part. I'll take out half of an inch here and then half of an inch here. So this is my original piece. So once I take that piece that way, I am going to mark that. That is, I'm just going to come down from this bust point line. I'll come down by 1 inch like that. Okay. I wonder what I did. This is half of an inch. Half of an inch. I was wondering. So from this point like this now, I am going to mark. I'm going to create that curve. Can you see? I'll float it into this point like this, and then from that under bust, you don't want to enter that under bust. Okay, I don't want to enter that under bust. I'll mark it that way, and then I will float it this way. So now this is my snatched part, and then this is the snatched part. Okay, so the next thing I am going to do now, I took out 1 inch already, so I'll come to this side also, and then I'll take out the same 1 inch. Okay, so that 1 inch, I'll take out half of an inch to this side and then half of an inch to this side. So that half of an inch, I am going to come to this my bust line measurement. So I'm going to just put like an indication so that I will know where I am going to. So I'll mark it like this, and then I'm not taking anything out from my hip line, and I'm not taking out anything from my bust line. Okay, so that is why you see. So this part also, this is our snatch part. We have taken out 2 inches, and then this again is the third one. So we're taking out another 1 inch from this. So that 1 inch, you take out half of an inch to the right and then half of an inch to the left. When we say waist snatch, is the waist area, that is where we are snatching. Okay, so please note. So I'm going to take this like this. I don't want to go into my bust measurement, so I am going to mark this like this. I'll come out of the dart leg and then create it in like that, float it in, and then from this part also I'll float out like this and then float in like this. Ooh, my waist. So I'm going to mark, so you can see these are all of my snatch part. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now, I want to create out our beautiful curve for the design. So you know, for the back we came down by 1 inch, that's from the waistline. So I'll just mark that way, and then I'll use my pattern curve to create that beautiful curve effect like this on my pattern. And then guys, we are done with our beautiful corset. So the next thing now, we are going to cut this off. So there's no need, so let me just can you see? Let me see if I can where's my highlight area? Is this highlight?